Need fence installation? We can help. Need fence repair? We can do that too. Meet Matt and Lisa. Matt and Lisa love their new home. They especially love that it has a yard for their dog, Rex. Just one problem though, Rex won't stay home. He loves to roam the neighborhood. And Lisa is tired of chasing him down. Matt and Lisa know they need a fence. But who should they call? Should they get a wood fence, a vinyl fence, an iron fence, a chain link fence? There are so many confusing choices. Matt picked up the phone and called for a free estimate. Just call the number on the screen for yours. Pick up the phone and call now. We can help.